Now let's have a look at this problem. We have been given an equation, and on the left hand side we have a big square root. So how do we solve this? In this problem where square roots are given on the one side, we do is that we square both the sides. So once we square both the sides, the LHS side will be just 1 upon x by 81, while the right hand side will be 10 upon 9 raised to the power 2, which will be just nothing but 100 divided by 81. Now once you solve this, you will have this left hand side will be 81 plus x divided by 81. On the right hand side will be 100 divided by 81. This 81 and 81 cancels. So what we have is 81 plus x equals to 100, or what we have is x equals to just 19. So the option C should be answer. So if you can solve this, there is also a very similar problem I want you to solve, and also write answers in the comment box. For this problem, we have been given a big square root here, and then there are some terms here. So what I'm going to do is just I'm going to divide this 0.02 by 2, and what I have is just 0.01. Here also I will have just 0.01. Here also 0.01, and here also 0.01. This is where the square root comes here. So what we have is this 0.04 within this big square root. Now using calculator, you can see that answer will be just 0.2. So option D should be our answer. Now if we can solve it, there is also a very similar problem to this. Well, this is really a grotesque looking question. It just looks so difficult. But however, this can be solved if you know that this expression can be written as 7 raised to the power 6 by 2. If you know this, all what you can do is that you can write it something like this. All the powers that are here, this one, and this one, they go at the exponent at the numerator. So this goes like this, 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 10. Well, all these powers here, this one, and this one, goes in the denominator. So that's how you can just write it. You can further solve it, and it will come out 7 raised to the power 2. Where is the 7 raised to the power 2? It's here, B. So B, as for Big Bang Theory, is our answer. And there's another grotesque looking question. This is an important trick to find out square root of these kind of large exponent. Well, this question can be solved if we know that 3 raised to the power 25 can in fact be written as 3 raised to the power 24 plus 1, or this you can further write as 3 raised to the power 24 multiplied by 3. Once you know this, let's take common. When you take common of this expression, 3 raised to the power 24 is common factor. So you can write as 3 raised to the power 24 and 1 plus 3. So it's nothing but 3 raised to the power 24 multiplied by 4. Now you have to take a square root of this. So this is square rooting of this term, then will be nothing but 3 raised to the power 12 multiplied by 2. So where is this in the options? The option C then is the correct answer. Solve the similar question. Now let's have a look at this problem. Isn't this problem really ghastly? There are so many square roots out there, this one, this one, this one. In fact, this problem is very difficult if you do not know this trick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve this particular term. So this particular term can be written as simply this. Now multiply it with the square root of 3 minus square root of 4. What I have done is that I have changed the sign, the middle sign. Here it was positive. Now I have multiplied it with negative sign. So once you solve this, you have is just a square root of 3 minus a square root of 2. This denominator thing, the product of these two, in fact, leads to just 1. So once you have reached this stage, all you're going to see is that this all of term then can be written as just this. So now here you can see that this square root of 3 cancels with this is square root of 4 cancels with this, and this is square root of 5 cancels with this. So what we have left is just a square root of 6 minus square root of 2. The option B is correct. Now there's another similar problem to solve.